everyone. I wanted to take just a moment to answer some questions that you may have about collecting information for your target audience in order to complete the learner analysis portion of your IDT template for the week 3 assignment. A quick reminder first, you'll want to make sure that you're continuing the work with the template that you started last week so that those first 3 sections are in place as you add to the learner analysis this week. So with respect to collecting information, as I mentioned in the welcome announcement this week, it's possible that some of you may have access to specific statistical information pertaining to your target audience, such as the age of employees. Most likely some of you don't have access to this specific information, and it's perfectly fine to use a rough estimation based on your observations. So that will probably work with respect to a lot of the details pertaining to your target population. Some of the other information that you may be able to utilize your existing knowledge for and your understanding and familiarity with the company may pertain to environmental characteristics or physical characteristics. There may be other portions of this learner analysis that you have to be a little bit more creative to address. For example, motivational characteristics. Maybe you don't currently have a real great feel for how motivated your target audience would be to learn a new skill or gain new information or just attitudes. If this is the case, you might have to be, again, a little bit creative, perhaps strike up a conversation during the break room with your target audience, maybe have a chat with someone at the water cooler, or you could ask around for other people that work in the organization. Again, really creativity is the key here so that you can address these questions as best as you possibly can. This is great information because once you start working on developing your lesson or your training, knowing exactly who your learners are and their characteristics is going to give you fantastic information to implement when developing the lesson. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Of course, I'm always here to help.